Okay, now we see how modules work. Okay, what are modules and what are Python modules? Okay, so I save this file as, for example, calc1.py. Okay, calc1.py. This is the module name, and I define the function add in the module ab. Okay, and I return a plus b. I define another function subtract ab, and I return a minus b. Okay, this is our module file. Okay, one Python file is a module, right? Now if I go here and execute file new, file save as, this is module.py. okay, module.py, then I should use import calc1, and I should use print calc1 dot add, and I add 10 and 10. Okay, I pass 10 and 10 parameters. I save it and see the output. This is mod.py, right? 20, 10 and 10, 20. If I use subtract, then it should be 0. And if I use import calc from calc1 import add, okay, import add, then I should use only add function name. So I needed only add function, so I use this. Okay, so this is 20, right? If I need subtract function, and I use this subtract, and I use 100, so it should be minus 90. Okay, subtract will subtract it. Okay, so minus 90. So this is how you use modules. Okay, so I need specific functions, I call the module and use the specific function. I can use star here instead of sub, but star means all the functions, but there may be conflict. Okay, so never use star. Okay, star means all the functions. Okay, so put the related classes, related functions into related folders. For example, add, subtract, delete functions should be inside calculator folder. That folder is called package. So you see, from calc1, if calc1 calculator calc1 is folder, then we can import a module from that folder. Okay, so we use this. This is how we use packages, and this is how we use modules and functions inside modules. Okay, we call these functions, and so related functions must be present in the related folder, related package, so related in the related module. Okay, so I can also use calc1.add, import calc1.add. If I use this, import calc1.add, and I use add, and I save it, and I see the output. Okay, calc1 is calc1.add. No named module calc1. So we can use it as import calc1.add, and we can use it. For example, if I use as C and C dot, there is another problem in the directories, because this is in separate directory. if we use this, then it says again no module. We have init dot, we have another file, we have init underscore init. In Python 3 I think there is no need, but init.py should be added, right, to get the modules. Okay, so we have this, we have used import calc1 as calc1.add, or from calc1 import we can use from statement and we can use import statement, right? And we can use init to initialize empty file, .py file, empty py file, and it will initialize all the things, right? So this is how packages and modules are used, right? Okay.